Bigger payout. DraftKings will be featuring parlays and odds boosts all tournament long, so be sure to check the DraftKings Sportsbook app every day to see. We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for an Amber Alert. Be on the lookout for 2 abducted children from Muskingum County, last seen on 523 East Main Street in the city of Zanesville at 5:17 p.m. on March 23rd. Suspect is believed to be driving a silver or tan 2008 Chevy Suburban with license plate HVZ6139 from the state of Ohio. The first child's name is Cale Clark, 1 year old, a white male, 2 feet 3 inches tall, weighing 23 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. Child was last seen wearing a blue Columbia coat and a white onesie. The second child's name is ISZAK SHAMBLIN, 3 years old, a white male, 3 feet 3 inches tall, weighing 35 pounds, with blonde hair and blue eyes. The child was last seen wearing a dark green t-shirt, black sweatpants, and black shoes. The suspect is unknown at this time. Please call 1-877-AMBER-OH, 1-877-262-3764, or dial 911 immediately if you see the child, the suspect, or the suspect's vehicle. This concludes this emergency alert system message. Is 100